Hey, how are you doing, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to turn a jigsaw into something that works like a bandsaw. So first off, you're gonna need a jigsaw, and secondly, you're gonna need a drill. Now start off with some type of flat sheet material, then drill a hole right there, flip it around, and you can grab your jigsaw and just mount it to the underside. Now make a very simple blade guide using some scrap wood. Just making sure that it's squared to the table, like so. Make a mark. And then I'll just remove the blade and cut out the slot. Alright, just gotta mount the jigsaw blade. And now we can get started cutting, but just make sure that the table is mounted properly to something solid so it doesn't just glide away while you're working, because it won't be accurate. Alright. Sorry, I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of some of the things that you can cut out with a tool like this. So we'll start with some particle board and get to some heavy stuff. Quite fun actually to try out different shapes in 3D. I mean, looking at this, I think you could make one of those 3D reindeers that Matthias Wandel made in one of his videos. So this is a pistol crossbow trigger, and yes, you can cut it out. That's how I threw together a jigsaw table in half an hour. I really encourage you to make one of these because it's so useful and you get so much more use out of the jigsaw, it's insane. Now I know this wasn't like a very detailed project, but I hope you find it interesting anyway. It gets the job done and that's enough for me. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.